What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. When I'm investing in the projects, there are different kinds that I invest into, and different times that I invest into certain projects. So when I'm looking for things that are up and coming, that the market is at a lower level, I'm looking for those projects that were well established, that are going to be more established during the next bull run, right? But obviously that's during downtimes. You're looking at a Bitcoin at 15,000. You're looking at an XRP at 50 cents or 30 cents. You're looking at a BNB at $200 or sub $200, right? But then when it gets to a time frame where the market is at a $3 to $4 trillion market cap, Bitcoin's over $100,000. You have XRP that has risen by 500, 600%, and many others that have made those moves, right? You're looking for things that are kind of up and coming, that are going to be next on the list. And it's so hard to see past like the first page of on coin market cap, and you look at the top 100, you're like, all right, I need to buy some of these. Yeah, of course you do need to own some of those, but the ones that can give you the most value are the ones that are on the second and third and fourth page and fifth page. So that's what I like to bring across your desk, especially when they come across my desk. In this video, we're going to talk about an epic coin. It is epic coin, right? So we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about the project and what they have to offer. If you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. I'll provide all of the links in the description down below. But Epic Coin definitely caught my attention for one main reason. I like to kind of take my own life and find something that could be usable within there, and something that sounds interesting within that project as you are utilizing that cryptocurrency. But to explain exactly what Epic is. So Epic Chain is a pioneering platform dedicated to revolutionizing the entertainment industry by integrating global entertainment brands into the Web3 ecosystem. As a layer 2 solution on Ethereum, Epic offers a comprehensive and versatile platform supporting a wide array of Web3 products, including immersive games, real world assets, unique NFTs, innovative DeFi application. So they're offering you many different things that you could see within there. And some main things that I want to take from this is that you have some big names, some big people that are associated with it as well, or at least following what it's going to do, right? You have the only crypto on Binance backed by two marketing powerhouses. We're talking about Mr. Beast, which obviously I'm a huge fan of because I'm on YouTube, and that's where we and you and everybody are seeing this video. The biggest YouTuber on the planet with over 400 million subscribers. It still kind of just blows my mind with the fact that he's been able to grow so much. I've seen him from I think 10 million subscribers, maybe even before that, and it might have been before that, but to see him grow so far and so fast is just amazing in what he's done. Gary Vee as well, who has been a big proponent of cryptocurrency and investing into NFTs and investing into a lot of these things that we know and love nowadays, right? He pulls over $1 billion a year. Even they follow the project on Twitter. Here's something that was just announced, that they are doing a $1 million buyback. So they're doing a $1 million buyback. So right now you have a chance to buy them before even the team does. Free money. Like, obviously, it's going to be different phases and different reasons to invest into it. And I think more for just the utility side of it and just understanding the real world asset tokenization part of it. So as a real world asset focused EVM compatible layer 2 on Optimism, Epic Chain transforms real world assets and global franchises into blockchain native experiences. Here's their tech. The technology powering the next generation of entertainment. It's built for speed, affordability, security. Our blockchain sets the standard for real world asset tokenization, seamlessly bring tangible assets on chain, unlocking liquidity, accessibility, and new financial opportunities. EVM compatibility. You have fast transactions, low gas fees, plug and play toolkit, carbon neutral network as well. Different places that are available on, right? Bybit, you have Binance, crypto.com, you have KuCoin, You go to Epic Chain, it's powered by the Epic token. So to wonder where Epic token is purchasable at, here is the breakdown of Epic Chain token. It currently sits at $2.09. It's at a $62 million market cap with $53 million worth of volume. You're seeing a total supply of 30 million, the circulating supply of 29.99 million. So you don't have any dilution there, which is always a good thing by my book. You have 86% volume to market cap ratio, which really shows its level of popularity at the moment. In different markets that's available on: Binance, S tier exchange; Coinbase, S tier exchange; MEXC, tier 1 exchange; Gate.io, tier 1 exchange; KuCoin, tier 1 exchange; Crypto.com could be tier 1, tier 2, depending on the level of volume, but you're looking at higher level exchanges that it is available on that you could go ahead and purchase this token on and be a part of it, just at a very simple way of looking at it, right? So it is available. You guys can go and take a look. In the last 7 days, it's up by 88%. The last month, it's up by 137%. So you see that level of growth, and hopefully that does continue here to see that massive level of growth that we all want to see as an investor. If we look at where it stands, again, I talked about finding something that's not on the first page, right? Looking outside the box a little bit. 512 when it comes to market cap. It's not on the first, second, third, fourth page. We're looking at like the fifth page that we can see that on, and it may literally go, over everybody's head, or may fly under the radar to where they don't even notice it. And the point is once you do start noticing it, it's because it went on the third page, then the second page, then the first page, and then up in the top 50. And now you're like, what is this Epic Chain coin that I should be investing into? And you start researching it and seeing the reasons why that could be a great play. So join the future of digital and real world assets. One of the big pieces that I thought was very interesting. If you don't know, I am a huge collector. Let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to go back here and show you real quick. I am a huge collector of like sports cards. Like I have right here, I have Asia Wilson. I have Cameron Brink at a 9.5. I have I have who else? Marina Mabrey. I have a lot of Caitlin Clark cards as well. I have a ton of graded WNBA, NBA, NFL, Pokemon, all those type of cards. So when you look at something like this, innovative product, unlimited potential, showcase, list, and trade your collectibles on Epic Marketplace. Display, list, trade your real world asset and collectible on the official Epic Marketplace. Seamlessly connect with buyers, expand your reach, and grow within a thriving ecosystem. Again, this is something that truly does speak to me. This is coming soon, but it truly does speak to me because it's a part of my current life in what I currently do. So that's what makes it insanely interesting. So what I say is that you guys go ahead and give it a look for yourself. I will provide all of the links for Epic Token, for Epic Chain down below, so you guys can maybe make the decision for yourself, because it's not up to me to make the decision for you. I want you guys to research it, say, hey, this is what I like about this, and this is the reason why I'm deciding to purchase this at this moment. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And if you guys are looking for, honestly, a play and a thing that you can see a 5 to 10x return on, this could potentially be that. We're talking about, Binance listings and what they're averaging, and how, what their market caps or what they're worth. It could be up to $1 billion, right? And seeing that this getting to a $630 million market cap could be a 10x leverage, or sorry, a 10x push on this price, and see it jump up, your value jump up by 10x. It makes me want to invest into it heavily right now. However, even myself, I have to continue to do more research and say, this is the reason that I like it. This is the main reason to why I'm investing into it, and also make that decision on how much I would be looking to invest into it, because a 10x sounds great, but obviously when you're like a 10x at $1,000, $10,000, a 10x at $10,000, that's $100,000. That feels amazing to see that right before your eyes and materialize right before your eyes. So I want to know what you guys think about this project. Make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Definitely check out all the links at the top of the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.